In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Steam gems. If you've ever wanted to craft booster packs or just tidy up your Steam inventory, turning unused items into gems is a simple and safe way to do it. Steam gems are a special resource you get by breaking down certain community items. You can then use those gems later for things like crafting booster packs or trading gem sacks on the community market. Here's how to convert your items into gems with confidence and without any confusion. First, open Steam. I recommend using the desktop app for the smoothest experience and make sure you're signed in and fully updated. Once you're in, head to your profile's inventory. You can get there by clicking your profile name in the top right and selecting Inventory from the dropdown. If you see multiple inventory categories for different games, switch to the Steam category so you're looking at your Steam community items. Next, choose an item you don't mind breaking down. Common examples include trading cards, profile backgrounds, and chat emoticons. When you click an item, you'll see its details on the right side, including its description and actions. Before you go any further, take a moment to think about whether you actually want to keep this item. Turning an item into gems is permanent. You won't be able to get it back, and you won't be able to use it for badges, profile customization, or trading later. Now look for the option labeled Turn into Gems. It usually appears on the item's detail panel. Click it, and Steam will show you how many gems you'll receive for that specific item. The amount depends on the item type and rarity. Some items yield just a few gems, while more desirable ones can give you more. If you don't see the Turn into Gems button, that typically means the item isn't eligible to be converted. When you're ready, confirm the conversion. Steam will ask you to acknowledge that this action can't be undone. Double-check the gem amount, make sure you're comfortable parting with the item, and then confirm. After a moment, your item will disappear from your inventory and your total gem balance will increase. You'll see your gem count reflected in your inventory area. That's the entire process. Open Steam, go to your inventory, pick a card, background, or emoticon, choose Turn into Gems, and confirm. Repeat the same steps for any other eligible items you want to convert. A quick tip: if an item seems valuable, you may want to compare its market price with the gem value before converting. Otherwise, enjoy building up your gem balance for future Steam activities.